we take this really critical content and reach wider audiences and different generations, different audience groups, all sectors.
Nature positive is a lovely inspirational strapline, but it's actually a measurable goal that requires a lot of change.
Want to do all these challenges have to be resolved within planetary boundaries, in a nature-positive way.
This film could potentially rebuild some of that confidence that we do have the solutions.
For us, this particular subject on nature positive is not an ideology, it's not a policy aspect, it's not a policy goal, it's not an ideology, it's actually really our lived realities.
We have to really work with nature to rebuild trust in the multilateral system.
The satisfaction of life is actually coming to a great extent from the ability to make choices.
The movie does a great job at unpacking nature positive for a larger audience.
The film, for me, was kind of shocking and also touching. A movie that is punchy, informative, and emotional at the same time is no small feat. I loved it, and I had so many insights during it as well.